let's see how to add color to labels in Gmail. First, open the Chrome browser and go to Gmail. If you already have labels, you'll see them under the Labels section. If not, you'll need to create one first. To create a label, simply click the plus icon. For example, I'll create one called Label 1. If you can't find the Labels section in the sidebar, click the small gear icon at the top right corner, then select See All Settings. Go to the Labels tab, scroll down, and click Create New Label. Let's create another one called Label 2. Now we have two labels under the Labels section. Let's add colors to them. Click the three dots next to the label you want to customize, go to Label Color, and choose your preferred color. And that's it. This is how you can easily add colors to labels in Gmail. If you'd like to learn how to add filters to labels, click the card in the top corner. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if this video was helpful.